Jimi Hendrix, All Along the Watchtower, and you know, what am I doing here? Forget this intro. You came to see Jimi Hendrix. Let's do it. So I got my 3rd fret capo going on here, and you play an A minor. A minor, but you can tell right there, I lifted up this finger off the B string and went, and then added it on. And if you get this kind of rhythm, like a little palm muting, try that. I'm going a little slow because there's only 3 chords in this song, so I'm going to teach you how to like play it with emotion, you know, and style. Pretty cool. So A minor, and then G major, but I usually don't hit that high note. Down to the F major, back to G major, and to A minor. So we pretty much learned all the chords right there. So I'll play it fast, and then I'll show you a few more of those dynamics. Ready? The verse right there, you know, there must be some way out of here. If you want to do regular strumming without all the palm muting and all that, said the joker to the thief. Too much confusion. I can't get no relief, you know, all that. But if you want to do that, and I'm going to the G a little early, to the F a little bit early. Right there, or you can do just regular straight up time. Whatever chord pattern you want to do, that's it. So it's A minor to G to F back to G, and does that the whole time, including all those rockin' cool solos. Super easy and fun, but the palm muting makes it really cool, and it reminds me of the U2 version in the 80s, you know, where you guys. So you can tell I'm not really hitting all the high notes right there. It actually makes it easier. It just gives this finger a little bit of rest on the G and the F chord. Easy peasy, easy, you know. That makes my intro really, you know, worthwhile, because you didn't need to hear me yap about it. In fact, I'm done yapping now. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.